Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for your Brazilian visa using the eVisa website. This is helpful because the form can be confusing, especially the OTP code and the documents uploads. So before you start, have these ready. Passport valid at least 6 months past your entry date, photo of your passport bio page, a white background headshot, and flight info if you have it. So step 1. Go to the Brazil eVisa site and tag Apply eVisa Now. Step 2. Enter your email, nationality, phone, then tap Get OTP, the one-time password. Step 3. Check your email, enter the OTP, tap Sign Up. If it expires, tap Resend. And just to note, this eVisa works for citizens of the US, Canada, and Australia. Step 4. Fill out the form. Visitor visa, purpose tourism, applying for yourself. And step 5, upload documents. These are passport bio page photo plus your white background photo. Travel docs are optional. You can upload them if you have them, then save and continue. Step 6, enter passport details, then travel details, arrival date, days, departure date, and step 7, add your home address. When asked, do you have any contact in Brazil, select yes and enter your Brazil contact info. We'll set it so you can copy and paste. Step 8, additional details. No legal rep. Add your occupation. Select no for working in Brazil. Step 9, pay the fee, which is $80.90, and submit. After the payment, you should receive your visa shortly. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more videos like this.